Yeah, my brother-in-law was an engineer on the Victoria Clipper, and they replaced their pipes, and so he got these big old pipes, and they sat around their house for a long time. I needed to create something that would work proportionally with this. These are so big and heavy and massive that it needed something really big. The three are going to be the opposites on the color wheel. So with this one we've got the green outside and the red inside, and then the orange inside and the blue outside, and the third one will be purple and yellow. Nice. And what's amazing about this is that when the sun hits them, they just kind of glow. They almost look like there's a light in them.
Wow.
A little earlier there was a sun break where, you know, it was all dark clouds, and then the sun came through, and I turned and looked at them and went, oh, look at that, they're just glowing. And then that's another piece, it's a totem, and it's all recycled materials also. It's kind of fun to have something like that in your garden. It's kind of weird, kind of different, kind of, you know, everybody looks at it and goes, what is that? And you can make your own story about what it is. You know, it's your power symbol, or you get your energy from looking at that crazy wire thing, or, you know, you meditate on it. I don't know.
That's great.
Yeah.
That's the beauty of art, isn't it?
Yes.
It is.
The beauty of art.
You do get to tell your own story.
And it is what you want it to be. You know, whatever you want it to be. It's beauty's in the eye of the beholder, but you know, it's whatever you want, pretty much. That's what I love about art.